Alright guys, as you know, I'm still trading this $250 account. Okay, I'm taking a sell scalp. So far we've made over 50% on this small account that we started with 250, and yeah, we're trying to make 100%. This is the second trade of, like second open trade of today. And yeah, let's see how fast we can get into profits. Like, share, and subscribe while we take our sales. And if you want to get the software that help me take the trade, you can go to NFX and Crypto to buy the course, and you get the software for free. Tells you when and where to buy, when and where to sell, when and where to exit. And if you want to copy my trades, you can get 1 year signals where we go on Zoom, do live analysis and signals. And you can join the broker that I'm using, Milgram Markets. Sign up. Make sure you have minimum of $500 to be able to copy my trade. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. We almost got a buy trade, but yeah, we're taking no profit from the market. The market will still come all the way down, and I'll exit out of this trade free with no loss whatsoever. As you can see, I took an additional 0.1 sell. We're already in, okay, that's actually one sell, so let me close that in some profit. So I made $26 so far, selling from the top, and we're gonna watch it go all the way down to my break even, where I'm gonna close out this trade to lose nothing. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to buy the course, go to nfxandcrypto.com. And if you want to copy my signals for 1 year, go to nfxandcrypto.com. Make sure you join Milgram Markets. Fund your accounts with minimum of $500 to be able to copy my accounts, and maybe you can grow your account from $500 to $10,000 in a year copying my signals. If you want to buy the course and learn how to do what I do and get the software, go to nfxandcrypto.com. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, there you have it. Just like I said, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to learn how to scalp the market like I do, let's look at today. Oh, we're trying today. Yeah, we'll still be back with more trades. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. We've made a little profit, let's just say like 5% today, and we'll be right back in another video with another trade. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you join Milgram Markets, link in description. Fund your account with minimum $500, and then copy my trade or learn or buy the course to learn and start making profits today.